All right, let's wrap up the trading year with our own Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Well, we closed out today's session pretty much a little bit of a whimper, but we're certainly hoping that 2012 will start out with a bang. Take a look at the lowdown on this year's winners and losers. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the big winner for the major averages year to date. So taking a look, the Dow Jones Industrial Average up 5.5% for the year, outperforming because the S&P was flat for the year, double zeros there, and the NASDAQ down 2%. And you might be surprised to find out that the biggest gainer in the Dow this year, McDonald's up 31%. Get this, the stock has been up for the past 9 years, and in that 9 years, up a whopping 525%. How about those McNuggets? But actually, the company focusing on quality ingredients and also their drinks like their premium coffee, Pimm, really taking off, and that is something that has helped their bottom line.
And Deborah, a bit of a groundhog day, you could say, for some stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average.
Right, because 6 of the top stocks in the Dow in 2010 were also the best performers once again this year. So what we're talking about, not only McDonald's, but Home Depot, Chevron, Boeing, and Verizon. And the worst performers in the Dow for 2010, also among the worst performers once again this year. We are talking about Alcoa. Of course, we know that Bank of America is struggling. That stock down 58% for the year. The worst performer in the Dow, Cisco and Hewlett-Packard, also lower. Now, seeing the biggest change this year was Netflix, because a year ago, back in 2010, they were one of the best performers in the S&P, but what a difference a year makes, because that stock down 61% for the year. And it's certainly been a tough year for Netflix after all those subscribers left en masse after that price hike was announced. Now it looks like they are seeing some added competition in 2012. And as we close out, Pimm, another winner on the day. I got the bottle of Belvedere from the closing bell here. Matt Miller didn't get it. I got it. So
Indeed.
Back to you.
Well, congratulations, Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange.